Hey, buddy. How you going?
Remember those walls I built? Well, baby, they're tumbling down. And they didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. I found a way to let you in, but I never really had a doubt. Staring in the light of your halo, I got an angel now. It's like I've been awakened.